Guys, Mike here from Adams Truss. We've got a Barndominium we're doing here in Gentry, Arkansas. Just finishing up a little trim on the side over there, but wanted to talk to you another video about, I get a lot of questions about framing inside of these buildings. Waiting on some custom doors on this one, but I wanted to show you. So one of the benefits of Adams Truss buildings is that, so steel legs, you get the strength of steel. They use a wooden end wall. That's our nice white Thermax insulation you're seeing there. Just got a bottom plate down. So as far as that goes, framing is basically the same as a traditional house. And then on the sides here, so you've got your girts screwed onto your legs. That's that clip there, you can see. Insulation on the outside. You put a treated plate down all the way, 2x4. Came inside of that with another 2x4 treated plate. It gives you 7 inches. These legs are 6 inches wide, so it clears the legs. Put over here to a window where you can see. But basically we just framed these walls, these 10-foot sections, each inside of the truss legs. So 10 foot on center. You can see here, window, another gap for the truss leg down at the bottom. Overall, relatively simple. And then you've got your ceiling joists running across, tying everything together. So it's just one way to accomplish it. We've seen it done a lot of ways. This was our local crew of framers that did it. We found this to be a really good way. If that were an 8-inch leg, I'd just use a 2x8 or 2x6, excuse me, for the bottom plate, or just shim that 2x4 plate in. But you got a pretty wide windowsill there that they'll finish out and look nice. Anyway, just a quick overview on some Barndominium framing. Get a lot of questions on that. And you can see what we do to kind of stiffen up these walls. They've got a couple blocks in here, and they are tied in to the girts. Basically at each truss leg, you've got one there, one on the other side. So you already got that wood subframing on the side walls with the, where the truss legs are, but that allows you to clear that, but also tie your walls, your interior stud walls into the structure of the building. So still very solid. And I will show you up here, you can see, so I put 9-foot ceilings in this one. And with our vaulted truss, it's hard to see with the ceiling joist, but basically I have a huge attic space, which could be turned into a loft at some point or just used for storage. So here's a better view of that attic space above these ceiling joists. Some LVLs running through here. I'm actually sitting on a decked surface. They're gonna put either the furnace or the hot water heater up here. But I mean, there's enough room up here. I'm towards the edge of the building, but I am standing up. In the middle, you've got almost 10 feet from the ceiling joist to the floor there. So like I said, this could be turned into a loft or just a ton of storage. Another benefit of using the Adams Truss system for your Barndominium. If you've got any questions, need product support, or just, want to know a little bit more about our buildings, give us a call, 479-736-8581.